And the Jubilee national officials are here, a big team. I will not introduce.
Kigomano kia Jubia kiama kia DP kirehire hamwe atongoria a ciama iria ciumbite ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro bururi-ini aria kwa hamwe mahuthirire kigomano giki kuhinyiriria urumwe wao ihinda-ini riri uteti wa githurano kinene kia mwaka ukite wambiriirie kunyita thing'a.
We are in the united opposition because we all agree to the one-term movement to remove the pain of Kasongo, which is on every household.
Anyone who's betting for our differences, you will lose your bet. You will lose your bet. We are going to stand together and we are going to remain united. Our ambitions and our challenges, our individual interests, pale completely and are nothing compared to the unthinkable and unimaginable possibility of the continuation of this administration.
Leo tunataka tuambie msiwe na wasiwasi, umoja huu vile DP mnasema umoja na haki, our unity is not a choice, it's an imperative. Kama tutamtoa Kasongo one term, lazima tuungane hadi mwisho na tutoe mmoja wetu.
Kigomano giki giukite thikũ nini thutha wa igongona riria riekinyitio ni mutongoria wa DCP Rigathi Gachagua gutharikirwo ni nyanake ũndũ ũmwe na maabitha a borithi kanitha-inĩ wa ACK wa Witima Uthaya kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri. Atongoria mahuthira kigomano giki gukumithia tharikira ĩyo ta gukorwo yarongoreirio kugera ngero ũmwe wao, ũndũ ũrĩa mategũkira merorere ugithie na mbere.
Democracy is in danger, not just here but in the region. The jokes we have witnessed in the region recently that passed for elections, very dangerous jokes, are threatening to spill over to parts of our country, and we are looking at a government here that wants to borrow from those very dangerous jokes. Please, Kenyans, this is the time to stand firm in defense of democracy.
Our democracy is in utter peril because of violence, because of hooliganism, because of goonism. We have a government that has gone into bed with goons.
Mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ahithuria mubango wa guthii igoti-ini guthitanga aria othe makuruhanirio na gubanga na guthagania tharikira iyo niguo gutigirira kihoto kia undu umwe na kia andu aria mari kanitha-ini uyu ni giathingatwo.
What happened in Othaya over the weekend is domestic terrorism, and we are taking legal action to do private prosecution of those individuals who have been identified as perpetrators. Because we realize if we don't, Kasongo will continue to take this country for granted.
Kenya, that attack was not just a normal attack. We now have the details. It was an assassination attempt sanctioned by William Ruto and executed by Murkomen. We'll be giving full details in the next few days so that Kenyans can know what happened. And I want to tell the people of Uthaya, mlikuwa mnatungoja kwa hiyo mkutano, tutarudi huko na hao viongozi tukuja tusungumze na watu ya Uthaya.
Iguru rio atongoria ni mahinyiriirie mubango wa kwamũra ũrĩa ũkarirũkia bendera ya ngwatanĩro gĩthurano-inĩ kĩnene kĩa mwaka ũkĩte kirie kũrĩkĩrĩra makĩhĩta kũnyitia ũrũmwe wao na marũgame thutha wa ũrĩa ũgathukĩrwo tigiti wa gũkang'ethanĩra na President Ruto gĩthurano-inĩ gĩũkĩte.
We must agree to one candidate for the presidential and all other consequential seats, ndivyo tuondoe hii serikali ya uongo, ya Kasongo na uongo.
We shall hold together. We hold no grudge. We hold no grudge against anyone, but we hold grudge against corruption, misrule, impunity, the killing of our people.
Hĩndĩ ya kĩgomano gĩkĩ ajumbe a kĩama kĩa DP nĩ mathurire ũrĩa warĩ speaker wa bunge ya bũrũri Justin Muturi ta mũrirũkia wa bendera ya kĩama gĩkĩ, na makĩria moguo mamũhe hinya wa kwaranĩria na ciama ingĩ cia kĩũteti itanya-inĩ rĩa kũmba ngwatanĩro ya ũrũmwe mbere ya gĩthurano gĩũkĩte. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaũra Wagunya.